Welcome, principals, teachers, and homeschool parents. I'm Pam Oliveri, the founder of Rockstar Writers. If you're here, you're looking for help with your writing instruction, and guess what? We've got your back. I've been in your shoes, and I've found a rock-solid solution that really works for all students. Let's dive into the 3 fantastic components that make Rockstar Writers the smashing success it is. Before we do that, let's talk about our mission. It is clear. We're all about boosting teacher confidence in writing instruction and turning those reluctant writers into bona fide rock stars. So what's Rockstar Writers all about? It's the most comprehensive writing system for grades 1 through 8 grounded in solid research. We're here to motivate, educate, and differentiate, helping students excel in every facet of their writing. Rockstar Writers has 3 components. Number 1 is the step-by-step writing program for each grade. This is the heart of the system. It's packed with everything you and your students need to succeed, from anchor charts, mentor texts, to graphic organizers, modeling, practice, task card, checklists, rubrics, prompts, you name it. It's available in both print and digital formats. So what sets us apart? Our step-by-step approach is the secret to writing success. It guides students through the entire writing process, make it engaging, not intimidating, and it significantly boosts their confidence in writing. Step-by-step writing is also our registered trademark because it is the only writing program that truly nails this essential concept. Our second component is mini lesson videos. These help you, the teacher. We've got over 80 instructional mini lesson videos for each program, so you get a well-deserved breather. They're fantastic for substitutes, homeschool parents, and even for absent students. If a student misses a lesson, no problem. Just send them the video. It's a perfect tool for instruction. Component number 3 is training and support. We are here for you. Scripted lesson plans? Check. Loads of training videos for your professional development? Check. A private Facebook group where you can ask questions, brainstorm with fellow teachers, and chat with me? Double check. So why is this program research-based? Research shows that motivated and engaged students tend to be successful. We use explicit teaching, scaffolding, and standards to ensure you've got all the bases covered. And because students learn differently, we've included differentiation. This is just a sneak peek of our research-based strategies. Check out the full list. Now you might be wondering, is this for me? Well, take a look at our success stories. They're heartwarming. We've had teachers and homeschool parents singing our praises, and I love hearing their stories. So are you ready to write your own success story and transform your reluctant writers into rockstar writers? I'd be thrilled to work with you.